Hi, good evening, students. Good morning, good afternoon, whichever shift you're watching this video. So, we talk about 100 days, close to 3 months of strategy. Although we have more than that, to be honest. Presently, if you're watching it near December starting of 23, so typically you have 4 months in your hand, typical 4 months. But in case you are a class 12th student, so you have to spend your time for boards as well. So 100 days ideally is what we say that when we enter December, we are left with almost close to 100 working days that we do. Because then we'll have a Christmas day also, New Year, then Holi, and then, multiple festivals at different parts of India. And then effective 100 days is what you have starting today to get your NEET, to crack your NEET 2024. Now the question is, how do we crack NEET in just 3 months? Because in 100 days, let me be very clear to you, I am taking it as only 90 because my 10 days will go for 20 full length papers. This I cannot escape. 20 full length papers is what I have to do before sitting in my NEET exam. So my 10 days are gone there. Each day 2 papers is okay, not a problem, right? So remaining are 90 days. Chapters in chemistry after the new syllabus is finally out, close to 2021 chapters. Probably 22 chapters, okay? 100 days chemistry plan for 22 chapters. Remember, when I'm saying month 1, I want to say this as December 23, sorry. When I say month 2, I say January 24. When I say month 3, I say combined February, March of the time. Because after that revision also has to happen, then February becomes your Valentine week. Sir, I am busy, sir. I have to meet my friend. So you tend to waste a lot of time on your messages on social media, influencing people and all those things. But it's okay. It's fine. But then we have to see how we manage time for our studies also. 3 months and three branches of chemistry: organic, inorganic, and physical. Right? Organic, inorganic, and physical. Three subjects, three branches, and 3 months. But it is not that the first month you only do organic. No, 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 nothing like that. First month, which is December, it's 31 days of this month. Remember, strengthen your strengthen your strong chapters. Not a problem, sir. Whatever you know well, practice it. Whatever you know well, practice it. What do I mean to say by that? What do I mean to say by that? Sir, I mean to say that kindly read your NCRT book. You cannot escape. In case you have not done it till now, do it. Already we have done NCRT review of solutions in last 2 days. I'll try to pin this video link in this video description. Solutions is already done. Gradually one-on-one chapters we are taking it. We'll take up kinetics, electro class 12th chapters. NCRT you have to read. Second and most important, solve NCRT. That is, you have to solve in text question, you have to solve exercise, you even have to solve its solved examples. If you are not doing that, you're already half the battle lost, place. Already half the battle lost. So you have to do it anyhow. You cannot escape NCRT solving. Post this. So now I'm done with NCRT reading also, I'm done with NCRT solving also. Post this, any book that you have been following. Quickly scan through the book, scan through the extra book. But let me tell you, that should not happen that should not happen for the text. No more text reading. After NCRT, no more text reading. You are reading your notes, you are reading your text. That's it. Notes plus NCRT is the only text that you have to read. Question solving, okay, we will do. But when it comes to reading, NCRT thorough, notes thorough, and you are done with the notes. Next thing is practice. What? Sir, NCRT plus notes that you would have prepared from any coaching, any academy, your personal notes, absolutely fine, not a problem. But then this is how it should be followed. What next is what we have. NCRT we solve, and then while we do it, we are not attempting PYQs. PYQs, I am taking it to month 2. PYQs solving. Month 2 is a little okay. Strengthen your strong chapters. Let me tell you, this should be minimum 30% of the syllabus. When I say 30%, I say close to 7 to 8 chapters. And if you ask me, it is really simple. 7 to 8 chapters, almost each one of you watching this video would be through it. 7 to 8 chapters. Why? Because 7 to 8, when I say, okay, I think I'm making it a little difficult for you, just 1 minute, and that is better, right? Okay. 7 to 8 chapters, when I say it comprises easy chapters also. Chemistry in everyday life, in case now it is in your syllabus. Environmental chemistry, then you have solutions, kinetics. They are small chapters. Bigger chapters are atomic structure, chemical bonding, thermodynamics, equilibrium. They're bigger chapters, right? But then haloalkanes is a small chapter, alcohols is a small chapter. So whichever is your area of, a little area of interest, a little area which you would have scanned through earlier also, that is gonna be your December target. 7 chapters in December, it's almost 4 days per chapter. Enough time, not at all a problem. Because solving your reading NCRT for one chapter will take you 1 day. NCRT reading, a little solving will take you 1 day, 1 minute and a half day, and that you have to dedicate. Remember, guys, it's only 22 chapters in chemistry. 22 chapters hardly means 22 days, man. We have still 100 days in our pocket. You have to read NCRT. So, month 1, strengthen your strong chapters, should be 7 to 8 chapters minimum. Month 2, start solving PYQs, mixed chapters, and then work on difficult 8 chapters, or say difficult 7 chapters, which typically for you in general can be, say, equilibrium, can be thermo. There is no other physical chemistry chapter that is difficult, to be honest. If you count on that, then you have to cover your inorganic also. But then here you solve aldehydes, and then say, okay, sir, I am a little, a little concerned about electrochemistry. Not a problem. These are the 4 chapters. Rest every chapter is easy. But sir, please make this count to 7. Now, please, sir, please, sir. Okay, bonding you take it in month 2, and then you also take it as, how much did I do? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then which chapter should we take it as a difficult one? There is no difficult chapter now in chemistry remaining. But okay, sir, hydrocarbons, sir, please, please, please. Okay, sir, not a problem. These chapters are your month 2 games. Month 2. But say when we say month 2, it involves all these things, sir. You have to resolve NCRT, read NCRT. These are the common steps. Common. You cannot escape them. These are the common steps, sir. And then in your last, this is month 3, you read your remaining, complete your remaining chapters, complete remaining, and quickly revise month 1 chapters again. Quickly revise month 1 chapters again. Remember, guys, you start December onwards, you can win the NEET race. Start December onwards, you can win the NEET race. Start in December and you win the race. And you can win. It is just that you can win. Remember, guys, you still have time. It's just that you need a little perseverance, a little hard work to start, for a little courage. In case you come from North India, the weather now is something you don't want to come out of your quilt. I want to sleep only 5 more minutes. But that will not how the NEET will get cracked. NEET will get cracked. Okay, I have to wake up at 7. Today I woke up at 6:55. Let my sleep be 5 minutes less. Not a problem. That is how the NEET can be cracked. Remember, guys, when we say 100 days, NEET is possible, NEET chemistry, I should say, in 50-60 days itself. 2 to 3 days per chapter is enough. 70 days in total, you are through. The 30 days is only for question practice. One day each chapter NCRT read top to bottom and you are through. You are through. And it's not only chemistry that you have to write, you have to do physics also, you have to do bio also. So knowing that, I'm telling you, one chapter complete of chemistry almost every day, or 1 or 2 days a chapter, not at all a problem, sir. 2 days a chapter and it's through. Follow this for next 15-20 days and track your progress. I'm sure you will win the battle. Right? Ready to start from December 1? Cool. All the best, because we'll keep on repeating these sessions, the online classes also, the classes in your special batches as well, so that we closely monitor on how you perform and we keep you guiding on each chapter by chapter. All right. Fine, guys. All the best to achieve your NEET 24 target. Bye bye.